morning students. As we have started the chapter surface area and volume, in that we have done, what we have done? We have done cuboid, cube, cylinder, cone. Now today we will discuss for the sphere and hemisphere. Here surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square and curved surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Total surface of hemisphere is 3 pi r square. This formula we will use to solve the exercise, that is 13.4. Here question number 1, we will use value of pi, it is equal to 22 by 7 or 3.14. Now here given first question, surface area of his sphere of radius is given, r is given 10.5 centimeter, radius is given 10.5 centimeters. What we have to find here? Surface area of a sphere. To find surface area of sphere, this we have to find, and surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. So here surface area of sphere 4 pi r square. So we will get here 4 into pi means 22 by 7, r is given 10.5 square, or we can write 4 into 22 by 7 into 105 upon 10 into 105 upon 10. How? Why we have got 10? We have removed this point. Now cancel this. This 4 cancel 2, 10. This is 5. This 2, 5. This 5 cancel. This is 21. This is 21. And this 7 cancel 21, 3, 10. So we will get here 22 into 3 into 21 or 66 into 21 or multiply here 1386 centimeter square. If we multiply 66 into 21, we will get 1386. Therefore, surface area of sphere, it is equal to 1386 centimeter square. This is the answer. Directly value is given, we will put the value in the form. We will do one more question. Question number 2. Next, again find the surface area of sphere. Question number 2. Surface area of the sphere, diameter is given. What is given here? Diameter. Diameter is given how much? 3.5 meter. We know that radius, it is equal to d by 2. So 3.5 divided by 2. So 35 divided by 20 or 7 by 4. So r is our 7 by 4 centimeter. Now, what we have to find here? Surface area. We have to find surface area. To find surface area, we have to find here we have to find surface area. Now, surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square. Surface area of sphere equal to 4 pi r square. So it is 4 into 22 by 7. R is given 7 by 4 whole square. So 4 into 22 by 7 into 7 by 4 into 7 by 4. This 7 cancel, this 4 cancel, this is 2, this is 11. So we will get 11 into 7 by 2, 77 divided by 2, 38.5 centimeters square. Therefore, surface area of a sphere equal to 38.5 centimeters square is the answer. Now next we will do question number 3rd. In question number 3rd, what is given? See, find the total surface area of hemisphere of radius 10 centimeter. Radius is given 10 centimeter. To find total surface area of hemisphere. This we have to find, and total surface area of hemisphere is equal to 3 pi r square. So here the value of pi is given. We have to use the value of pi as 3.14. This value we have to use. Here total surface area of hemisphere, it is equal to 3 pi r square. Total surface area of hemisphere is 3 pi r square. Now 3 into value of pi, because here given value of pi, we have to use here 3.14. If it is not given, we are using 22/7 also. But here given, we have to use this 3.14 into r. Value of r is given 10 square. So 3 into 3.14 into 10 100, or 3 into multiply by 100, so it will be 314. If you multiply, here we will get 942 centimeters square. Therefore, total surface area of hemisphere equal to 942 centimeter square. This is the answer. We will do one more. Question number 6. Find the radius of the sphere whose surface area is given. We have to find radius. We have to find radius, means we have to find r. What is given? Given is here. Find the radius of the sphere whose surface area, means given is here surface area of sphere is given 154 centimeters square given. We have to find the radius. Now, surface area of this sphere is 4 pi r square. So we have to write the formula. So surface area of sphere, it is equal to 4 pi r square. So we can write 4 pi r square equal to 154. Then 4 into 22/7, because here the value of pi is not given. In previous question, value of pi is given, use 3.14. So that is why we are using 3.14. But here is not given, so we will use 22/7. R is not given, so r square 154. Or from here we will get 88/7, r square equal to 154. Or from further, r square equal to 154 into 7/88. We will cancel by 11. 1 time 4. This is 8. Again, this will be 7. This is 4. So we are getting r square equal to 7 square by 4. R square equal to 7 by 2 square. This square cancel. So r will be 7 by 2. R equal to 3.5 centimeter. Therefore, radius of sphere, it is equal to 3.5 centimeter square. Centimeter. Yeah, radius is given, so it is centimeter. So Here we have to use the value of pi 22 by 7 or 3.14. When it is not given, you can use 22 by 7. But if it is given, you have to use 3.14. So learn by heart the formulas and do the question in your fair copy. Thank you.